Morning to all of you. Let's start with a new chapter, Food, Nutrition and Fitness. What is balanced diet? The diet which includes variety of food in adequate amount and in correct proportions to meet the daily requirements of essential nutrients. Nutrition. It is the science of food, nutrients and their actions in the body. Food. Anything solid and liquid which when we swallowed, digested, assimilated in the body provides nutrients. RDA. RDA is recommended dietary allowance. It is the requirement of the body with marginal safety. Health. State of complete physical, emotional and social well-being, but it is not merely the absence of disease. Let's talk about the various food groups which are given by ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research. First, energy-giving food. In this, we include cereals and grains like rice, wheat, ragi, bajra, maize, jowar. They basically provide energy, protein, B-complex, vitamins, iron and fiber. Bodybuilding. Second food group. This includes pulses and legumes. Example Bengal gram, black gram, green gram, cowpea, rajma, soya bean, which provides protein, vitamin B1, B2, calcium, iron and fiber. This also includes milk, meat and its products like curd, skimmed milk, chicken, liver, fish, egg. These provide proteins, fats, B12, calcium and proteins to our body. Third food group includes protective food groups, which includes fruits and vegetables like mango, guava, ripened tomato, papaya, orange. They provide carotenes, vitamin C and fiber to our body. There are vegetables like green leafy vegetables, spinach, drumstick. They provide invisible fat, carotenoids, folic acid, calcium and iron. While other vegetables like carrot, brinjal, ladyfinger, capsicum, beans, they provide folic acid, calcium, fiber and carotenoids. There is also another food group that consists of fats and sugars. It includes butter, ghee, cooking oil, groundnut, mustard oil, which provides vitamin E and fats to our body. The balanced diet and the diet including all the food group is called balanced diet. What are the characteristics of this balanced diet? It should contain nutrients in a correct proportion. The RDA should be met and it maintains BMI, basal metabolic index of the body. Now let's see food guide pyramid. It is a graphic depiction of daily food guide. The size of each section represents the number of daily servings recommended. Like grains should be taken in abundance, fats and sugar should be used sparingly. Spices, tea, coffee, diet, soft drink, they add pleasure and flavor to our meals, but they should be taken judiciously. This shows that 75% of day's serving should come from grains, vegetables, fruits to get carbohydrate, fiber, vitamins and minerals. There is also vegetarian food guide according to which vegetarians can select legumes, seeds, nuts as alternative to meat. Legume and 1 cup of green leafy vegetables helps to supply iron that is provided by meat. And vegetarians who don't take cow milk should take soya milk fortified with calcium, vitamin D and B12. Now we talk about the dietary patterns of adolescents. Adequate nutrition is important for overall emotional and physical health. Students show that they take less amount of vitamin A, thiamine, iron, calcium than what is recommended. They take more fat, sugar, protein, sodium. And most common eating pattern is irregular meals and snacking. Fast food intake is there and dieting is there. Now see the factors which affects the food behavior. There are socioeconomic status is there. The people who are having no dearth of money, they spend mostly on snacking. External factors includes the family characteristics, like the eating pattern of the family affects the eating pattern of an adolescent. Parenting practices are there, how democratically they ask their children to eat healthy food. Peer is also one of the main factors. Internal factors includes physiological needs of the body according to the age, sex, activity. Self-concept is there. How positively I see the body image, and personal values matters a lot in the choosing of food. Next, let's see eating disorders amongst adolescents. As you see, the first is anorexia nervosa. Here the person feels pressurized to be ideally thin. He has a low self-esteem. He remains depressed, unaware that he is undernourished, unaware of drastic weight loss, and that leads to the death also. Bulimia. The person is indulged in binge eating and induced purging. Convulsions occurs, renal failure can happen, irregular heartbeat is there, and dental erosions are there. Nutritional limitation of fast food. It should be low in calcium, so it should not be low in calcium, riboflavin, vitamin A. Fast food is actually low in these nutrients. It is low in fiber and folic acid. It is having a high percentage of fat. It is having high sodium content, and it gives excessive energy. And what happens, you can see that in a picture. So think before you eat, and eat the food like a medicine, otherwise medicine becomes your food. With this, I'm signing off. Take good care of yourself.